Welcome, adventurers! Today, we'll explore how to start your own clan in Bannerlord, unlocking a world of possibilities. Understanding clans is key. They are not just groups, they are your path to influence and power in Calradia. Your clan name matters. Make it memorable and meaningful to signify your legacy. Choosing your clan culture influences gameplay. Each culture offers unique benefits and storytelling opportunities. Before you embark on your adventures, make sure to gather essential resources. It's the backbone of your clan's strength. Recruiting members is vital. Use your charisma and offer exciting opportunities to attract followers. Set clear objectives for your clan. Define what success means to you and your members. Effective management is crucial. Develop leadership skills and ensure everyone is working towards the same vision. Engage in conflicts wisely. Use your clan's strengths in battles to shine and emerge victorious. And there you have it. Follow these steps to create your own clan and dominate the world of Bannerlord.